Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Keeping my floors tidy is something that is really important to me. In the past, that's meant that I have to drag out my corded vacuum, or I'm using one of those little handheld vacuums that overheats in like 30 seconds. Now that I have this cordless handheld vacuum from Minthouz, I don't have to deal with any of those other problems. It's lightweight, it's powerful, and you can use it on all different types of surfaces. This does not overheat. I'm so thankful for that. I can use it for 20 to 30 minutes, which is about how long the battery lasts. But this gets everything that I need to be done in that amount of time. It can hold so much debris. Other small handheld vacuums I have to empty constantly. This one I can use over multiple sessions of vacuuming without having to empty it. Emptying it is easy. You just press the button on the front, pop it open, lift the filter out, and then dump it out. This comes with an extra filter and so many different attachments. It has all the things I need to get into all the little cracks. I think this little Minthouz vacuum is going to be your new best friend. It definitely is mine. I don't know what that says about me, but I love it and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.